Srinagar decked up with BJP flags ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit on Thursday, the first after the scrapping of Article 370 in August 2019. There are massive preparations for the PM's rally at the Bakshi Stadium. The BJP says a record 2 lakh people will attend, an endorsement to Prime Minister Modi's development agenda and decision to do away with Kashmir special status. Last month, the Prime Minister addressed a rally in Jammu. Within 3 weeks, it's his second rally in J&K ahead of elections.
इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ हो रही है, यहाँ नौकरियां मिल रही हैं, यहाँ करप्शन समाप्त हुआ है। आज जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता मोदी जी ने जो 370 की बेड़ियां तोड़ी थी, उसके बाद मोदी जी को देखने के लिए, मिलने के लिए, सुनने के लिए बख्शी स्टेडियम में लगभग 1.5 लाख 2 लाख लोग आने की सूचना मिली है।
A tight security blanket has been thrown around the stadium. Checking and frisking has been intensified across Srinagar. Besides a massive logistics arrangement to bring people to the stadium, thousands of government officials have also been directed to attend. The BJP is hoping that a recent move to include the numerically significant Pahari ethnic community to the ST list in the UT will help strengthen its foothold in the valley and Muslim-dominated region of Jammu.
माहौल कश्मीर के अलग अलग एरियाज में मैं देख रहा हूं। मुझे यकीन है कि 2 लाख से ऊपर आवाम प्राइम मिनिस्टर जनाब नरेंद्र मोदी साहब को सुनने के दीदार करने 7 मार्च सुबह 10 बजे श्रीनगर के बख्शी स्टेडियम में यहाँ पहुंचेंगे।
Massive preparations are underway for Prime Minister Modi's first Kashmir visit and the rally after scrapping of Article 370. With the mission of winning 370 Lok Sabha seats, Prime Minister's rally here at Bakshi Stadium is aimed at sending a larger message across the country. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.